How to fix promotion disabled on Instagram. Let's get started. Instagram may disable promotion for several reasons, such as violation of their ad policies, inappropriate content, or account issues. Common reasons include promoting prohibited products, using misleading content, inappropriate text or images, or excessive hashtags. Check if you have received any notification or emails from Instagram that explain the specific reason for disabling. Launch your Instagram app. Next, what you have to do is make sure your Instagram and Facebook account is connected properly. To check that, click on the profile icon given at the bottom right corner. Navigate to three bars given at the top right corner. Click on the option of Account Center. Scroll down and click on the option of Accounts. Click on Add Account and make sure your Facebook and Instagram account are connected properly. Once you check this, you can check whether your problem has been fixed or not. Next up, what you have to do is make sure you have switched your Instagram account to the business account. To check that, head towards Settings and Activity page. Navigate to the option Account Tools and Types. If you haven't switched to professional account, click on this option Switch to Professional Account and go through the process. Lastly, if the solution doesn't work for you, what you have to do is report a problem. For that, go to the Settings and Activity page, scroll all the way down, click on the option Help, click on Report a Problem. Click on the option Report Problem Without Checking. Click on Don't Include and Continue. Now here you have to briefly explain about the issue and send it. With that, Instagram support team will get back to you. Applying the solution, your problem will be fixed. So this way you can easily fix promotion disabled on Instagram. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.